Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today I am going to undertake redecorating my bathroom. This is one of my main bathrooms in the house, and sorry for the echoing that's going on, but there's not a whole lot in this bathroom. Today I am going to decorate it in such a way that it's very much apartment friendly or renter friendly, because I'm not doing any painting today. It's basically decorating, and I've picked out a color scheme that I'm going to use, and this way if I decide that I want to change the color, I can, because again, I'm not, at this point in time, I'm not painting, I'm just decorating. So let me bring you along. I'm going to give this, I'm going to show you exactly what I have so far before I start changing things, and you'll have an idea as to what it looks like at the moment. It's very simple. Not a lot in here. It's very boring. So let me show you around. So here I have the sink. Very simple, white cabinets, white tile floor, huge mirror. There's lights that are missing. Very simple cabinet. In fact, I've already done, there was a huge gap right in here. It must have been about, oh, I don't know, but this big. And so I've gone ahead and I fixed that already. So now I'm just going to give it a wee bit of a cleaning. And this, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm going to try to attempt to spray paint it. And so yeah, so then, yeah, this is it. There's not much. There's some old pictures there, towel rack, shower. This is pretty much it. So the color scheme is actually coming from the shower tiles. So there's white, gray, and black. So as you can see, there's not a lot to this bathroom. It's extremely boring. And so let me show you some of the things that I'm going to do. I have done some arts and crafts type of stuff, so I'll throw those in as well. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that toilet paper roll holder. I might even just paint it, spray paint it. We'll see what happens. So a lot of the elements that I have for this bathroom, I've either thrifted it or I bought it on sale. So I didn't really spend a whole lot of money on it. I would probably say under $100 for all the things that I had purchased. Some of the things I already had, so I'm bringing those elements in as well. For instance, these little, I'm not even sure what they are. They're just ornamental pieces that I thought would work really nice in the bathroom here. And I picked these, I thrifted these quite a few months ago, and I was never sure what to do with them. So I'm going to put them in the bathroom now. A lot of the elements, like for instance, like the cup, I have wood underneath it, an item that I bought on sale. So it wasn't very expensive. I think the cup was like $6 or something. Plant, I already had that. I thrifted quite a while back, so I'm using those things to add to the whole design of the bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start decorating, and you can just watch along.
So as far as the artwork is concerned that I'm putting in the bathroom, these are actually photographs that I took years ago when I went to Nova Scotia, and I really liked some of these photographs, and instead of having them color, I wanted them in black and white, so I did that in my paint program to change them black and white, and then I went to a local photography store and I had them printed out in 5x7, and this is what I'm doing to frame them. So I wanted a nice long viney plant in the bathroom, but of course because there's no windows, I had to resort to artificial plants. But I wanted something that kind of draped down on the side of the cabinet to soften up some of the lines. And I came up with this little piece, and I'll show you how I put mine together. So I started off with a simple clay pot and saucer, really inexpensive, and I had already had some acrylic paint, some black acrylic paint, and so I just went ahead and I painted the entire pot and saucer black. So from there, what I did was I had some flower foam, and I just put in some small pieces just so that I could hold the leafy parts into the pot. I glued the pieces in, and I also glued the pot to the saucer as well so that everything would stay firm. Now, I didn't videotape I added some gravel later on because I found that the top was a little top heavy, and so by adding some gravel to the bottom or even some small pebbles will help keep the bottom solid and keep it from tipping over.
So if you enjoyed this video, why not check out some of those ones there? Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.